What's good, boys? Welcome to day 200. Welcome to day 299 of backtesting every day. Bro, I'm so tired, but let's get it rolling. Today's episode coming a little bit late, but yeah, we gotta be consistent, right? So we'll be backtesting version model. Come on, version model 2018. So let's see how it goes. So far, we have a 55% win rate. Bro, what's wrong with this light? Give me a second. Okay, so it turns out my light doesn't want to work for today, so let's just get going. But why would it fail today, bro? Anyways, let's get going. So we're back testing again. 2018. Let's play it. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next new game session. Yeah, this is the new day. Going with the daily time frame, you can see that. Well, we've been displacing bullishly, checking the 1 hour, which is the most important, which is like my higher time frame. We traced higher, so we might obviously continue lower. So I'd like to see this gap here getting burst. That will be great. We also have Asia lows right here. So I think we should wait for another retracement, then I will be taking shorts. Okay, 5-minute gap retracement. This is pre-market though. Okay, we're open, we get some SMTs, and then we drop heavily. Actually, I think here we could have tried shorts. You can see price directly slower. You can see that the best entries would have been like here. Wow, okay. Let's wait for the next retracement. Maybe we might try it out. We get a run on this high here. Bro, we should have tapped into the gap. Alright, this is good. We tap into the 15-minute and now we start rejecting the 15-minute and displace heavily lower, inversing this gap here and this 2-minute as well. So we should do shorts. We put the stop here and target all these lows. So that will be a 2-hour trade. Let's try it out, but we can also target the full Asia lows as well. I think there will be a possible draw. Just the 5% and short it. Nah, this is a break-even trade. Okay, get another 5-minute gap retracement. How's the 3-minute? If there is a gap on the 3-minute, it will be better. Okay, 2-minute inverses again, but I still think shorts are good, and we can still try out shorts, right? Okay, break even here. Nah, come on, bro. It's always Asian. Doesn't want to go all the way to these Asia lows. Bang! Finally, finally ended up hitting the lows, and this is very very beautiful. So we could have also entered somewhere here, but this retracement was heavy. Could have stopped us at a break even. Right, let's head to the next trading day. So this is what I should be doing every day: being patient. Being patient. Like today, the markets cooked me just because of my stupidity. I behaved as a retardation trader, and I hate myself for it. And I'm working to improve. So I hope I do. So these lows here overrun. These lows here overrun. Now looks like we are in some sort of like recovery process. We have a VPR here, the price retraced into, and we got run on the lows right here, and we have a 1 hour inversion, so we could just right enter and target these on the highs right here. But let me wait for like another retracement. Probably like any retracement that could happen before open will be good as well. 15-minute gap retracement. I mean, I would like to enter here even though there is no inversion. The only problem is that no 30-second could have got presented. I mean, the 30-second doesn't exist on this time frame. That's the bad thing. Okay, looks like we might recover. However, 30 minutes is still good. Got a liquidity run. This wasn't a good close. Dropping heavily. Why is it going higher? Okay, we are recovering finally. Run here. Let's see if we can take this 3-hour kind of trade. We'll go to break even here. Okay, break even. Okay, it's a 15-minute gap tap. Ah, come on, bro. This isn't a good close. If it inverses here, I close the position because it looks like it won't go all the way to these highs. Let's wait and see. I mean, the 5-minute has also inversed. What other sign do I need that this position has to be closed? Stick to the plan. Don't try to be a genius when you're in money. That's another lesson. Stick to the plan, bro. You either go break even or make money. As you can see how beautiful this thing closes. This was a continuation model, bro. 5-minute gap inversion, 5-minute gap rejection. I'm pretty sure if someone was biased short, could have tried it out, but good thing I was biased long. Right. So let's see how if it retraces into this 5 for some continuation moves. We ran this high, so there's an SMP at the high, but I still think price is bullish, except if we are in some sort of POI, which I currently don't see, but maybe there will be. Okay, there's a 15-minute, but we'll see, because we're currently ranging, so we never know. Right, here's a very beautiful inversion. And it's also on the 2-minute as well. Oh, 3-minute had a gap. It didn't hold down. Let's wait for the 3-minute then. Okay, it's a tough call there. $15 gap retracement. It's like it might start going higher actually. It's empty. I was confident the price could start going higher. Okay, well, turns out the move for the day was done. Let's go to the next New York game session. Full hour consolidating, 1 hour consolidating, like pushed higher, consolidate. Well, we have a liquidity run. Now we're consolidating. Let's see. It's in a 15-minute gap. So let's wait for a breakout. Liquidity run. Could like to see price breakout higher. Okay, here is the first liquidity run that we get, but it's not in a POI. I mean, this is a very, very small fair value gap. So I will just simply wait for a breakout, man. I don't see anything here for me. Okay, 5-minute fair value gap retracement. You know, there is no 30-second, so just gotta wait. Let's go to the next thing. The price is currently displacing lower. 1 hour has just tapped into this gap here, but as of now you can see rejecting this gap here. So there's this draw here first. So right before open we tap into that high, 5-minute gap retracement. Okay, there is open now. We should start recovering if we are bullish. Whoa, looks like we're getting a change state of delivery right here. And bro, no inversion. I thought inversion was here, but damn, this will do a crazy week out because we have a gap on the 3-minute. Nope, 4, 5. We're tapping into a 5-minute gap, so let's wait a little bit more. And now the 5-minute gap is holding. So what does this tell us? Price could initially continue lower. Has impressed these gaps here in the 15 minutes. So what does it mean? It could go lower, right? Because we also have an SMT at these highs. So I should start probably displacing lower, right? Right. And get an inversion right here. Okay, here you can go break even. Let's go, bro. 2.86. See what happens if I become patient. But what did I do today? I crashed out. See, this is the problem. I do know how to read price, but I'm still fighting with my emotions, bro. Bro, this is literal beautiful PK. Look at how good this, well, it's now chopping around, but look how good this move was, bro. I acted like a retard. And look at this other entry here. Look at this inversion entry here. Target these lows. Stop here. Wow, a generation prof, we only took this. Look at what happened. Yesterday was a very beautiful drop. For our tap into the fair value gap. It would be good if we drop lower, but I'll just take what the market is gonna present at that time. I've traced into this 1 hour, so we might also tap here. I think my draw as of now is the highs right at the open and drop. Oh, actually, it's not an open. Like price just open, so okay, so we just impressed here. I think I'm just gonna try shorts because price is obviously dropping, so I'm not thinking of trying lows. Damn, got cooked right away. I think I should have. I wanted to move to break even here, but yeah, it's okay. Was a possible opportunity. Now, since price is rejecting, is it rejecting the 1 hour? Yes. 15-minute? No, quite so, but I think it's like an OTE retracement because the 1 hour has the better gap. So maybe if the 5-minute inverses here would be good. Let's wait for retracement. There it goes. Bro, what kind of closes are these? 1 hour has inversed, so what is this showing us? We are bearish. Look at this crazy drop. Okay, actually this is a good entry. I mean, got a liquidity run here, and wait, where did yes, liquidity run here. We're in this gap here and an inversion as well. So it's a 30-minute gap tap, which means price should genuinely start displacing lower. So using the 5-minute here, can do something like this. Shorts. We can tell this low, this low. I think this low here would be great for a 2 hour. Let's see if you can have this kind of displacement today. I'll move to break even once this low here gets run. Okay, break even. No way, no way. Bang. Well, that's so unfortunate. I mean, this could have been a good low as well, but this also was a good target. I don't know. Okay. Sometimes price is manipulating back to back, so we'll just take the L of the day and move on. So price starts consolidating after that, but this was a good move. And bro, look at how it displaces later. This is very beautiful. Well, at least I was right about the drawn liquidity. Just the price decided to manipulate me. Yeah, it's going good. Let's go to the next trading day here session. The daily is well, it's possible that we could just start going higher because I think we are in a POI, right? Let's read the weekly. I don't think so. Okay, so what would be the best here? I don't really know. It's not looking that clear to me, and I can't predict price or anticipate where price is heading to just on what I've seen on the daily time frame. So I'm going to skip to the 1 hour time frame and trade a lower hanging fruit kind of objective style. So 1 hour. So 1 hour, one thing I can notice is that we have Asia highs here and this high here. So that's liquidity, and we are respecting this periodic gap right here, right? So if we are bearish, we should start displacing, rejecting this gap here, and go all the way to these lows. So as of now, that's what price is currently doing, and that's what I would like to trade based off of. 15-minute, there is some liquidity here, so I would like to wait for it. Let's wait for the open. Bang, open runs this low, right? It's not, it's a 15-minute gap retracement, but we don't got no gap, so let's wait more. Okay, then we get an SMT at the high, so this is obviously the price is going to go lower, even though it didn't get no fill, but I was right. Okay, price fails to do so. So liquidity run. I wanted to wait for the 2-minute. Ooh, inversion, okay. But now we've just run this high. ES hasn't done that yet, so maybe we should start going lower. 5, 4, 3. Let's see how the 3-minute goes. Damn, looks like we're going higher. Okay. Yeah, 4 is in the gap, so I'd like to see it probably displace higher if we truly are bullish. Actually, 5-minute inverse here. I mean, we can try the 5-minute inverse because the 15-minute didn't have anything. So this wouldn't be a continuation, it will be some sort of like reversal. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. Bro, this is looking good. We can aim for the shorts. Wait, hasn't gone all the way to those lows. So why did it go straight to specifically to this low here? Ooh, the hourly open. Well, I mean, the hourly open was good. Okay, not bad. So this will be fine. $322. Okay, but well, reversal kind of stuff, but not bad. Yeah. Let's go to New York AM. Price is melting lower. So going on the daily, what that draws, we have some daily lows. Working a gap retracement. A gap retracement, that's good. I'd like to see at least this 2-minute inverse. Ooh, this is fine here. This is fine. We have 1 minute inversion. 930 low. Where is the 930 low? Relatively equal lows here are all good, but we'll wait and see. Ooh. Oh, this is bad. If it breaks at least below these lows, we'll be lucky. No. 15 minute. Okay, I'm gonna move to break even because this 15 minute is scaring me up. And bang, get stopped out right away. And yeah. So actually there wasn't no entry here because I don't think I would enjoy this. This will be kind of far, but it's okay. Okay, could it run on the highs? Very crazy 15-minute inversion. Bro. Okay, so after this 5-minute just first, you have an SMT at these highs. Let's try shorts again. I still think we can go lower, even though the 15-minute reversed, but look at the one. Oof, no gap, actually, there is no gap here. 30 minutes there though, so I mean, would it hurt? Eh. Dang. And it even went lower to where I wanted it to go. Oh, holy. I should hold. Anyways, I mean, secured the wedding day. It's So simply the best draw would have been these lows here. Should be like, how's the 5? Okay. This close here, high, break even at this low here. Okay, break even. Well, let's go to the next new game session. 1 hour retraced here. Liquidity run, we have Asia lows here. I'd like to see it drop though, because this already closed good. I'll just have to wait and see. I mean, I'm not here to predict, I just want to behave reactionary. Alright, this is a good rejection. I think we can go with this. Can we, if should we go with this 3 or 4? Because there's no 5. But the 2 burst later, see? But the 3, I mean 3 minute is higher than the 2 minute, so shorts should be all the way to this low here. Let's look at these lows. Let's see if we can get to these lows here, because it's possible that it might also be a retracement instead of a full drop to the lows. So let's just try it out on the 3 minute version. So we are also about to form changes of delivery right here, and I don't know why I'm becoming silent. Anyways, okay, bang, right there, and it's gonna continue lower. Oops, okay, it fails to, runs the low. Damn, this is some crazy consolidation. Okay, that's crazy. Yeah, let's go to the next trading day. I don't think I'll do anything else here, because it looks out, look at this shop here. Let's wait and see. Very good liquidity run, some sort of inversion, and price drops heavily. Another run here, so good liquidity run. I like to see it displaced to these Asian lows, because on the daily time frame we kind of still look bearish, and we've inversed the 15 minute, so this is some good movement, right? $15-minute gap retracement. Okay, shit, man, at least we should start going lower, right? I think, well, on the 2 minute it will be good, but then the 1 minute, 1 minute has a really huge gap. Well, only if maybe, okay, I enter here, here, break even, take profit, like this. Yeah, this will be a break-even trade either way. $5 gap retracement. Yeah, things ain't looking easy though. Get another 5-minute gap retracement. This was a 5-minute gap retracement after the price ran this low. So this will be a 2-minute inversion. Let's see if we can target these LR. And bang, trade his TP. It was a 1-hour gap as well. Very good retracement. Whew. Look at the next trading day. Looks like we are recovering, bro. Look at this move that happened in the afternoon. Damn, that's heavy. $4-hour, and the 1 hour looks bullish. We're in this gap here, so I'd like to see it maybe. Okay, 1 hour tap. I mean, I think price is bullish, so we should generally get a displacement higher, right? Yeah, we should. $2-minute, 3-minute. I think 3-minute is looking good. 2-minute just inversed. I think we can't ignore. Right, 3-minute closed good. And the 4-minute actually, so the 4-minute was the highest time frame with a gap. Okay, this was a retracement into the inversion. It's a good move higher. Move to break even because it's also a 15-minute, right? I would like to see it like run this pre-market highs. Ooh, ooh. So this was a 15-minute gap retracement. Here was an inversion. gonna try it first here, but damn. It looks like this is one of the shit days. So was a retracement higher. We got a retracement higher and a liquidity run. But ooh, we also have an SMT. Okay, I think I will use any the best 15 gap retracement. Yeah, let's try shorts here. Yes, I would like to see if it moves to 1 to 2 though. I'll be trading aggressively. Okay, break even. Ooh. 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 Damn. It missed the 2R, bro. 1.5R could have been secured, but anyways, risk is risk. Okay, there's a 15 gap retracement, another one. Still think price is bearish. I'd like to see a liquidity run. This will be the full draw, but well, I'll move to break even once we tap into this thing here. Yeah, we're rejecting, and it's also a 1 hour gap, so if we're bearish, I'd like to see it just play slower. Right? Yeah. Shorts. Okay, break even. Yes. Bang. 3.52 hour trade. These are the trades I should be taking. These are the trades I should be taking, bro. Like, easy math. At least this one will be a good loss instead of what I did today. For some reason, I think this backtesting session is all about criticizing myself, but it was shit. I did shitty things, and I have to blame myself for that. I behaved like a retarded trader. This is another possible trade. If you don't have an opposing liquidity, we can try this out. We're chopping up heavily. I think we should just break out lower. Okay, you got a liquidity run on these. SMT. Okay. There's a 15-minute here. And I think we're going to these Asia lows. I mean to these, Asia lows. Damn. Okay, so what's this thing flying around? Okay. Bro, we're dropping very beautifully. I wish I found an entry, but I don't see no entry. Or maybe the 3-minute inverses. These are 15-minute gap retracement. Now. So the try shorts, then move to break even here. 15-minute gap is rejecting. Cook out right away. I think it's because of these wicks. Okay, so 15-minute close bullish. So yeah, looks like price is bullish. That's good. No, it is placing heavily high. Yo, what is good? IX3. So it's already 11 and price is kind of going slower, so we'd rather wait. Change instead of delivery right there. Got a 5-minute gap retracement, so it turns out price is bearish. How's the 3-minute inversion? For the 4-minute is actually looking good, but I wouldn't take this trade because pushed it back. What have I done? Okay, let's go to the next trading day. Bro, price is consolidating heavily. I don't know if I would continue trading this kind of PA. have inversions. We might try out some shorts. If this gap here holds, we might try out some shorts. We'll see on 1 hour. So actually here was an entry. Liquidity run on this 1 hour fair value gap. So I might try longs. Bang, trade right there. But why can't the market move like this anymore, bro? Fragment gap retracement. SMT. SMT all the way here. The shorts retracement on the inversion. The 3 hour secured. Okay, let's go to the next trading day here. Bro, 4 hour ended up falling PM session. Wow, okay, 1 hour. So I'd like to see how the 1 hour looks like. Liquidity run, crazy inversion. I'd like to see it tap into like a gap again. Then see if price goes like all the way to these highs. I think the 2 minutes is better, but the 2 minutes looks like it doesn't want to impress. So we got a good inversion on the 4 minute. We can target this 928 high and these relatively equal highs, and I would like to move to break even like once this high here gets run. So 940 high. break even. Yeah, we're gonna break even. I'm gonna take that risk. Already tapped into some break even type level area. Bang. It's some good entry though, bro. This is some good 2.6R. Yeah, I think that's all for today's backtesting. Stay blessed. Peace.